Welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 2nd of December 2020 and currently time is 9:54 AM. So traders, here you can see that we have taken a trade in Bajaj Finance. Traders, this is my second trade. I have already booked a loss in this stock a time before, but I was not able to record at that time. So I will explain you that also. Let this trade get completed. So traders, here you can see that first it gave a breakout and again it came for a pullback, and now here it is spending some time. So traders, trade is going on. So first let the trade get completed. So then I will explain you the logic, and also I will tell you the first trade which I already took. Okay traders, but let me also tell you I have already booked some loss today in it. So that's okay. This is our second trade. If we are booking any kind of loss in this also, we will not take any trade today. We will be done. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum, I will update you. So traders, you can see now our stock is performing good according to us what we want. So before that traders, what I am going to do here is we will trail our stop loss to a cost price. Simple. To protect our position from getting any loss, because we cannot afford more loss today. Okay, so traders, simple, we have trailed our stop loss to our cost price. Now whatever happens, we are ready. Okay traders, to accept it. So again I am pausing the video, and now I will update you when it will hit our target or our trailed stop loss. So traders, here you can see that first it came downside, again gone for retracement, again came downside, and again retracement. So traders, what I am going to do is now I am again going to trail my stop loss till this swing high. Okay traders, done. So let me modify it. Okay traders, so we have trailed our stop loss till here. It is not showing because it has not executed yet. That's okay, it's been executed, modified. Okay traders, so we have trailed our stop loss to this swing high, and let's see if we get a risk reward of 5.18. That's a big risk reward traders, you know. So we will wait for it, otherwise we will be booking 1:1 today and covering my first loss. Okay traders, I will explain you. So again I am pausing the video. Let this get trade completed. So traders, I am here to show you that how this is going trade, and also tell you, here you can see a sudden big volume here. So traders, here are chances that the sellers might have exited their trade. So if now the price is going to cross above 25 moving average, I will exit at market price only traders. Okay, so let's see. So traders, this is what, let me explain you why this is happening. So there are chances traders that the sellers might have came here. Okay, let me first focus on trade, then I will explain you, as it is trying to cross 25 EMA. It's taking some time, but okay traders, we will wait. It's totally fine, because exiting that much quick is also not a good idea. So we will wait. If the candle closes above 25 EMA traders, I will exit at market price only. So I am waiting. Okay, so traders, the logic is that the sellers might have came in the morning. Here you can see the volume, and it was trying to go downside. But what happened here? A sudden volume came here also. So there are two things which can happen. Either these sellers have exited or new buyers have came. Okay traders, so simple thing is that if sellers have exited here, the price they will have to buy, so price will go upside, and if new buyers have also came, the price will go upside. So it is going like this only. But if sellers have not exited yet, they will show some power by trying to bring the price downside, and if it doesn't happen, we will exit our trade. Okay traders, so this is what happening. We will wait some 1 or 2 minutes more, which after that it will be clear what is going here. So it's taking time. So traders, let me pause the video. So traders, you can see things are going good and in our favor only. Okay, so we are just waiting traders for this low over here to get crossed. If this is going to cross, then we are going to give our target. Okay traders, so we are waiting. Traders, I am thinking to trail my stop loss more to this swing high. Okay traders, so let's do it. Trailing my stop loss till here. Okay, so modifying it. So our order has been sent, but not has been yet modified. It will take some time as usual, so no problem in that also. And then trade is going very good trader. We are getting a good risk reward if getting our target 5, or else we will get 1:1 or more than 1:1. You can see traders, we have got a very good trade. Our risk reward of 5.15. So traders, now I am pausing the video, and simply our trade is going on. We have no worry at all, and when it will hit our trade stop loss or our target, I will update you. So traders, you can see we are very near to our target. Now again trailing our stop loss to prevent our profit from any kind of reversal. So we are trailing till here. Okay, so let me modify the order. We have sent the order, it will take some time. Okay, so it has been modified. Done. So traders, you can see we are near our target, and if also our trailing stop loss got hit, we are getting a good risk reward ratio. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, you can see our stop loss has been triggered here, but okay, it's totally fine. Now let's drag this tool to our stop loss, which was here. not here. Yes, okay. So traders, our stop loss has been triggered and we have got a risk reward of 2.35, which is also very good trade. Okay traders, now coming on to the explanation part. Let me open 15-minute time frame. Okay, so traders, what happened here, as I already uploaded my analysis of yesterday on Instagram, if you have seen, a pattern was made here and in the morning it gave a breakout, and at the breakout we entered here with our target was here, but our trail stop loss has been triggered. So a simple trade. Okay traders, nothing had happened. In the morning it gave a breakout, then it came for a pullback or a retracement. Okay traders, and here at this price I entered into the trade, which was at here. Okay traders, so I entered here and with our target was same, which was here, but our stop loss has been triggered, so that's okay. And after breakout a pullback came, I entered here and the trade has happened. Okay traders, so now let's calculate our profit in this trade. So our quantities were 6 and the points which we have got is 26.75. Okay, so traders, our total profit is 160 rupees. Okay traders, now let me tell you the first trade in which I booked the loss. Okay traders, so what happened in the morning, I was not knowing about all these things which are going to happen. Okay, so our retracement came here and so a breakout came here and it gone for a retracement, and at the retracement I took the entry at here and my stop loss was this swing high and my target was same. Okay, so what happened here, my stop loss was got triggered. Okay traders, you can see a arrow has been made here, no here in this trade. Okay traders, so this was our first trade in which we booked the loss, but it has been covered. So the loss in first trade was, let's calculate. So our stop loss point were 14.5, so 14.5 and our quantities were 6. So the loss which we booked in first trade was 87. So 160 minus 87 is 73, which is our net profit today, and we are done for today's trade. Okay traders, so this is a part of trading. Sometimes we have to book losses also, but we have covered, and this is the complete explanation. So traders, if you are having any doubt in this setup, please ask me in comment section. I will reply you and will explain you in more detail. So traders, thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something and have a good day.